Hi yogis, thanks for tuning in today. In this video, we're going to learn about Ekapada Koundinyasana 2. It's a little mouthful, so I'll just call EPK2 from now on. This arm balance requires a strong shoulder, strong core, good amount of flexibility in your hamstrings and adductors and hips. Also, you need a strong and stable chaturanga because basically the arm position is same as chaturanga arm, 90 degrees. We'll do some warm-ups together first, and then I'll walk you through step by step how to get into this pose. Just letting you know, there are two different ways. First one is from three-leg dog, and the second one is from the lizard. We'll get to explore both, and you'll see what works for you. All right, so come to forearm plank. Bring the forearm on the mat. Extend your legs back. Tuck your tailbone under. Pull the belly in. I want you to fire up the core first. Press the floor away. Spread the shoulder blades wide. Stack the shoulders over the wrist. Gaze down. Legs are active. Four, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice yogis, lower the knees down. Just come onto your palms, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, roll forward, high plank now. Stack the shoulders over the wrist. Take a full breath in and exhale. Now inhale, shift forward. Come tips of your toes. Exhale, bend your elbows slowly. Chaturanga Dandasana. Stack the elbows over the wrist. Pull the belly in for 3, 2, 1. All the way down on your belly. That was nice. Untuck your toes. Inhale, lift your chest. Upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, right leg up to the sky. Exhale, bend your knees, stack the hips, open it up. One more breath. And inhale there. Exhale, knee to chest. And then step your right foot forward. Lower the left knee down. Low lunge. Hands on your right knee. And then lift your chest. Activate your left glute. Notice the stretch on your left hip flexors. Keep your belly in. One more breath. And exhale, hands down. Straighten your right leg, flex your right foot. Stick your hips over the left knee. Press the right heel into the floor. Take a full breath in, lift, and exhale, fold. Here, I want you to keep your spine flat and long. Think about reaching the chest forward a little bit. Crown of the head reaches forward. For 3, 2, 1. Nice yogis. Rebend your right knee. Now bring your both hands inside of your right foot. Find the lizard lunge. Keep your right knee hugged in. You may stay here. Maybe come down on your forearms. Perhaps lift your left knee high. That'll be more active and intense. Activate the left glute. Again, pull the chest forward. One more breath. Nice yogis. Lower the left knee down. Come to your palms. And then lift your left knee high. Walk your hands to the left. Come to wide leg forward fold. Toes in, heels out. Inhale, halfway flat back. And exhale, fold. Today, grab your ankles. And then pull the crown of the head towards the floor. Press into the pinky edges of your both feet. And roll the inner thighs back.
A little bit of internal rotation here. For 3, 2, 1. Release. Inhale, halfway flat back. And exhale, walk your hands towards your left foot. Turn your left toes forward. Come to runner's lunge first. And then plant your hands on the floor. Inhale, left leg up to the sky. Bend the knees, stack the hips. Open it up for one more breath. Take a full breath in. And exhale, left knee to chest. Shift forward. Left foot next to your left thumb. Lower the right knee down. Both hands are on your left knee. Tilt your pelvis forward and down. As you breathe, maybe it gets a little closer to the earth. Pull the belly in. And then squeeze the right glute. One more breath. Nice, yogis. Both hands down, half split, left leg straight, flex your left foot. Stack the hips over the right knee. Inhale, lift, and exhale, fold. And reach the chest, reach your sternum towards your left foot. Breathe into the hamstrings. One more breath. Nice. Rebend your left knee. Bring both hands inside of your left foot. Find your lizard lunge again. Again, keep your left knee in rather than splaying out. And if you were on your forearm, you can come down to forearm. Back knee can be down or up. Find whatever works for you, for your body. Again, reach the chest forward. For 3, 2, and 1. Come back to your palms. Just left foot steps back. And then lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Full breath in and long breath out. Come down on your knees for a moment. So I'm sure your body is pretty warm by now. We'll try the first method, which is getting into EPK2 from 3-leg dog. You can use a little bit of a momentum here. So let's come to downward facing dog first. Inhale, right leg up to the sky. And exhale, right knee to right shoulder, right tricep. Maybe stay here. And then pull the belly in, lift your knee high. For 3, 2, 1. Nice. And come back to 3-leg dog again. Extend your right leg back. And exhale, knee to shoulder again. This time, bend your elbows. Come to the push-up position. Keep your right knee on your right arm. For 3, 2, 1. Inhale, press back. Exhale, one more time. Knee to shoulder. Bend your knees, look forward, chest forward. Maybe lift your back leg high. Maybe extend your right leg straight. And there was your Ekapada Koundinyasana 2. So you don't have to extend your right leg straight. It's okay to keep your right knee bent. But eventually you want to lift your back foot high, right? Sometimes when we don't have enough strength on our shoulders, we can see this position. As we get into the pose, we just put our chin on the mat and the left leg high. This is good if you are not ready for it, but I want you to work on your chaturanga first. Get the strength, and then eventually you'll be able to lift your chin up, okay? All right, let's just try the number 2 method, which is from your lizard lunge. Right foot high, And then bring the right foot forward, outside of your right hand. Come to the lizard position. And here, you're going to snuggle your right shoulder under the right knee. Plant your right hand down and the left hand down. And then same thing, as you bend your elbows, you'll shift forward, gaze forward. And then try to bend your right knee or extend it out to the right top corner of your mat. So plant your palms. Take a full breath in. And exhale, bend your knees, wiggle the right foot out to the side, extend. Maybe you can stay here, maybe you can fly. And there you go. When you're in the arm balance position, so right foot is on your right upper arm. Right leg is on your right upper arm. And you can use your left elbow to support your body a little bit. It can be next to your torso or next a little under your torso, okay? And now let's try the next side, left side. Come to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to shoulder, shift forward, squeeze, activate that oblique for 3, 2, 1. Nice. Left leg back behind you, inhale. And exhale, knee to upper arm again. This time, bend your elbows, find that push-up position. It's the same with the arm balance, just so your back foot is on the floor. Inhale, press back, 3-leg dog. This time, we're going to actually try to fly. Take a full breath in. Exhale, shift forward, look forward. Lift your right leg high, chest lift, energy forward. Nice, yogis. And then come back to downward facing dog. Now try it from your lizard. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot forward, outside of your left hand. Snuggle your left shoulder under the left knee. Plant your left palm down on the mat. As you look forward, shift forward. Extend your left leg out to the left side. And perhaps lift your right leg high. And release. So this was the tutorial for Ekapada Koundinyasana 2. Hope it was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on Instagram at Jamie's Yoga. Thank you so much for joining and happy flying. Namaste.